umbrella where we take order, we brand, with logo. This is for branding and advertising purpose.
This is for kids. You don't have to hold this.
ಈ ಥರ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲಾ, ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಫೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಹೆವಿ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ 10 feet ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲಾ ಇದು ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ 3,500 rupees ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. You're watching V for Vloggers. I'm Vignesh and this is Varun. So we have come back to our old store. Yeah. We had done a video before. I mean, long back.
It's like two years before.
2 years before, 2019.
Before lockdown.
Before Corona.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is one of the, hub of, for umbrellas and everything here.
Yeah.
It's very, very famous.
So they sell it in both wholesale and retail.
Yeah.
And they sell umbrellas, promotional umbrellas, promotional tents. Like you can see the pic here.
Everything, almost everything is there, right? Promotional kiosk and everything.
Yeah.
So whoever you come here and ask, they'll let you know where Prakash umbrella
is. It's very famous store. Famous like store. You can ask anyone in Mamulpet. It comes near White Temple. Yeah, guys. He's Ajay. So he'll be explaining about Prakash umbrellas. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮದು ಮೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟು ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲಾಸ್, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಕೋರ್ umbrellas.
Okay.
Advertising purpose, regular monsoon purpose, everything. We have everything in umbrellas. We have more than 500 varieties of umbrella.
Okay.
And we are mainly into wholesale.
Mainly into wholesale. Yeah. But if any retail customer comes, they can take mainly focused on wholesale.
If they come down here and they tell that we have watched your video, then we'll give it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
And I heard you guys started raincoats as well. So
yeah, raincoat. This year we have started raincoats. Raincoats for babies.
Customized raincoats. Like you
everything.
can print logos on it, right?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. So we'll start with few samples.
Yeah. First, this time I'll show you our promotional range.
Okay.
So this is an umbrella where we take order, we brand
logo.
With logo. This is for branding and advertising purpose.
Okay.
So this is what we are looking into mainly, and we want to improve this one.
You have all ranges in this, right?
Yeah, all ranges in this, mainly for advertising purpose.
What will be the range, like starting range for
starting range is around 130, 140, 150 rupees, and it goes up to 350, 380 rupees.
Okay. And if the quantity is large, again the price reduces.
Quantity if it is large, but not much, like 4-5 rupees we can reduce.
All.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we are into reasonable margin business.
Okay. So like it doesn't depend on volume, but it depends on what range you're selecting.
Yes, correct.
Okay. And next
is our regular umbrellas. Black color printed for resellers.
For shops.
People who buy from us and they resell. So we have all types of umbrella, big, small, everything for kids.
Okay.
All branded materials.
And do you have anything like your own brand or?
No. We do trading. Good brand trading we do. We don't sell Chinese products. We sell only standard products.
What is a good brand here? Like which is a good brand here?
We have our main brand is Motherland umbrella.
Okay, so, you sell Motherland also.
Motherland is
it's famous.
Yeah, it's famous. So Motherland, and we have Marshall, and we have KK brand. Here you can see.
Okay.
Yeah.
What will be the cost for Motherland?
Motherland umbrellas are costly. They start from 250 rupees up to 320, 340, 350. Depends on what model it is. If it is long, it starts from 220. If it is,
Okay.
But I would like to say that we are only into wholesale.
Only wholesale. Yeah.
So
these are like wholesale prices.
Wholesale prices.
Yeah.
So even if someone calls, like 10,000 should be the minimum billing. Then we can proceed further.
Yeah, got it. So like if your billing amount is like around 10,000, then they can give you wholesale price.
Yeah.
See, like all these are kids umbrellas. They have different designs. I'm showing you like 4 or 5. All this will start from 60 to 65 rupees. And they have other collections, like I've shown you like 4 or 5 designs now. You can see like this is for kids. You don't have to hold this. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
70 rupees.
70. So now we are going to raincoats.
This is the top part and this is the bottom. So this is the bottom and with cover. So reinforced starts from 250 rupees.
100% range.
Yeah, waterproof. 250 rupees and it goes up to 700 rupees.
Full set 250 rupees
Yeah,
starting
yeah,
price.
correct.
Great, great.
This is of 250 rupees. Both shirt and pant.
Okay.
So yeah.
Well, in pockets another bರುತ್ತೆ?
Yeah, there are pockets.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Fine.
This is a premium range. These are meant to be kept in cars. Full size umbrella, a proper size umbrella you can say.
Quality.
And very premium it is.
You can see handle quality.
This is 350.
350.
Yeah.
Okay. But it looks very premium.
Very premium. Yeah, and you get the feel of a product which is more than 1,000 rupees.
Yeah.
That is the finish here.
Finishing is too good.
Yeah. And long umbrellas starts from rupees 120, 130, 140, 150. And you can
what
focus
about
there.
3-fold, 2-fold?
3-fold, 2-fold, they start from 170 rupees. 2-fold start from 120 rupees.
Okay.
So these are all subjective prices.
Yeah.
And if the raw material increases, we have to change the price. Yeah.
It's based on the market.
Yeah. Last time we had many customers that you are quoting one price in the video and today you are telling some other price. So these are all subjective. So when the price of raw
Based on
material,
today's condition, the prices are like this.
yeah. And that video was in 2019.
2019, yeah.
And even now people say that give me like you can sell it for that rate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
So prices will change, but he's
Pro-
basically
yeah.
telling the ranges. You will
Ranges,
get
yeah.
it in this range.
Currently for this year these are the ranges. So next year it might vary or you might even get down.
Yeah.
It all depends.
So they have a godown here. We'll show you that also.
Lift is available.
Okay. So guys, this is in 3rd floor. There's one more shop. It's crowded. So this is the godown, and like they do all packing, everything. Like all stuffs are done here. इधर क्या क्या आइटम मिलेगा?
गार्डन अम्ब्रेला, गोल्फ अम्ब्रेला,
हाँ.
गजेबो टेंट्स, प्रमोशनल टेंट्स
अच्छा.
और कैनोपीस, ऑल टाइप्स अवेलेबल्स.
कुछ डेमो दिखा सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ.
ये
ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನಲ್ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲಾ
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅದು 320 350 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವಿತ್ ಲೋಗೋ, ಕಂಪನಿ ಲೋಗೋ.
ಓಕೆ.
ದಿಸ್ ಫೈಬರ್
ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ.
ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಫೈನ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ. ವಿಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲಾ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬೆಂಡ್ ಗಿಂಡ್ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಈ ಥರ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲಾ, ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಫೆ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲಾ. ಈ ಥರ
ಸೆಂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪೋಲು ಇದೆ, ಸೈಡ್ ಪೋಲು ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ರೇಂಜ್?
9500 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
4-5 ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ಸ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಬಿದೋಗಲ್ವಾ ಇದು?
ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರೋದು, ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಥರ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಲೋಗೋ, ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲಾಸ್.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಲೋಗೋ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಲರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ, ರೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
ಅದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಕಲರ್ ರೇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಬಲ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 20-30 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓಕೆ. ಏನು ರೇಂಜ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದು?
ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿತ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ 580 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ತನಕ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೈಜ್
ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರೋದು. ಇದರ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ 10 ಫೀಟ್ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ 3500 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಫುಲ್ ಗೇಜ್ ಇದು?
ಫುಲ್ ಗೇಜ್, ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೂಪರ್.
ಆಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ಸ್.
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅದರ್ ಕೈಂಡ್.
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾತ್, ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲ್ಲ, ತಾರ್ಪಾಲ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್. ತಾರ್ಪಾಲ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ಸ್, 100% ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಡಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್,
ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್. Okay.
So guys, that's the tour of Prakash Umbrellas.
Prakash Umbrellas.
So yeah, they are wholesale dealers.
Wholesale
here.
and
wholesale.
mainly into wholesale, and they sell all kinds of umbrellas.
When you come to umbrellas, I don't think there's a better shop than this.
This is the best shop in
yeah,
market.
Yeah, till now, whatever we have found, I think this is one of the
They have
most
around like
trustable.
500 kinds of umbrellas here.
Correct. And promotional tents and everything, almost like company needs and personal needs. And
Yes, yes.
so you can come here and check out the place so that you will get a better understanding of the whole umbrella market here. So please,
that's it for
that's
today.
That's it for today. And please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And give us in comments, like, give us more ideas of what we have
What
to explore.
products we have to explore.
Yeah, sure. And see you guys in the next video.